I'm Jantz. I'm here at the HVAC Institute. I'm showing you the condenser fan motor. This is a condenser fan motor. It's a motor that runs the fan out in your outdoor condenser unit. It gets rid of heat from your condenser coils that have the refrigerant in it. The refrigerant flows through your inside of your house and absorbs heat from inside your house, and we move it to the outside and we get rid of it. That's how we cool your house down. So this comes out. There's screws that go around the top of here. You pull this out. The fan is attached here. It's got 3 wires, and they go through and they come out. They come out here. 2 of them go to your capacitor. 1 of them goes to your contactor. And it's pretty easy to take out. You take these screws out, you get this out. This goes, well, first your wires. The wires go through here, like this. Put your wires through here. And get the wires. Like that. And it's got these studs on it. They go in here. And then I got the hardware. I got the hardware right here. And they just screw on. Yeah. Like that. There we go. There we go. Got 2 more. There we go. So usually when you take the motor out, you take the blades off, and I had to use this blade pulling tool, and it's pretty difficult. And I did that earlier, and I put it back on for this video. So this goes on here. The wires run through your hole. I got that back on, and I can put my screws back in. I can connect my 2 wires to my capacitor and the other one to the contactor. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video.